Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick little self-tan demo on my legs, and I can show you like the before and after because I haven't self-tanned my legs in a while. So I'm using my favorite self-tanner ever, Loving Tan, and this is the 2 Hour Express. And they have a regular version too. The 2 hour is nice because if you apply it during the day, you can wash it off 2 hours later. Or the regular kind I also use, but I'll use that at night and then wash off or rinse off in the morning. This is the mitt I use. This is the Loving Tan mitt. It's super like plush and soft, way better than the other ones I've used with other self-tanners. And you can actually get a free mitt with code Taylor at checkout, which is really nice. So what I do is so I use about that much to start. And then you just rub it in circular motions. Don't go like up and down, otherwise that can get streaky. So you'll probably need a couple pumps on like your upper leg just because it's a bigger area to cover. So I just did a second one for the back. I'll do the same thing for the lower half. And with your knees and your ankles and like your feet, you'll just want to brush it really light over those areas. And it also helps if you put like a little bit of lotion on those areas because they're drier. If you don't do that, you might have like extra dark spots. So now you can kind of see right now like an initial before and after. There's a color guard with this tanner which helps really well for not getting streaks and making sure you get every spot. So you let it develop, and then after 2 hours with this one, you'll just rinse it out. Here you can see it even better, like what the difference is like. So as it develops, the color guard and like the whole tan will get darker, but once you rinse the color guard off, it'll be like the perfect color.